Today we are going to discuss the secretory tissue system. Already we have seen epidermal tissue system. This epidermal tissue system is also involved in this secretory tissue system. Means they have having both connections. In this secretory tissue systems, the nectar, resins, essential oils, gum, latex, and other products which are in the secondary in nature, which are in the secondary metabolites. The secondary metabolites, tannin, which is in the form of the liquids, colloidal natures, latex. These substances, they are synthesized in the plant body while the metabolism. During the physiological functions, these products I have listed here: nectar, resin, essential oils, gum, latex, other products, mucilage. And other products which are involved in the physiological functions. While physiological functions carry this, the secondary metabolites which are not useful to the plant body, they are produced while the physiological functions carried out. They are stored inside the body, but excess amount of the stored body, the secondary metabolites, they are harmful to the plant for further function. Therefore, the secondary metabolites which are synthesized, secreted inside, it is essential to secrete outside. The secretion is also known as the exudation, and exudation is essential. All of you are familiar with lattice-bearing plant, euphorbia. When you cut the branch of the euphorbia, latex comes, which is whitish, yellowish, pinkish, reddish. Whitish comes outside. The small insects visits to the flower to suck the nectar, sugary substances. They are colloidal gelatinous sugary substances. To suck the sugary substances, insects visits to the secondary metabolites. When we section cut, the resins are produced. Resins, they are produced, they are crystalline, liquid, colorless. When the larger tree plants cut down, then from these cortical regions, the substances comes out. Also, you are familiar with, through the bars, gums are exuded. You have seen bark of the mango. You have seen the moringa bark, shuga. Also, acacia, babul. Also, the main plants which are produced in these gum exudations. The exudation of the gum which comes out, which are the solid crystalline in a powder, and the exude gums we have collected. Azatari indica, that is the name, also exudes the gum. In different parts of the plants, that is oily leaves, eucalyptus, sesamum, then ossimum, orange fruits. In these orange fruits, the pericarp of the orange having the oils. Eucalyptus leaves towards the lower surface, the oil is present. Ossimum leaves, sesamum leaves, in which oils are present. Mucilage oils are present. Majority, the resins are also present. Such secondary metabolites which are produced inside the body, they are developed in specialized cells. They are developed in the specialized cells. These secondary metabolites, they are secretes or excretes outside from the plant body. The specialized structures, which are the secondary metabolites, due to the physiological or biochemical functions in the plant body. These secondary metabolites, they are either secreted or excreted outside the plant body. The cells which are developed in the specialized cells, these cells, they are known as the secretory tissue systems. Means secretory tissue systems, the secondary metabolites are developed.